In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a message board request into a to-do in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a request from conversation to action so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open the message board post you want to turn into a task. This is the place where discussions, requests, and decisions are shared, so it's often where actionable items originate. Make sure you're in the right Basecamp project so the task will live alongside the relevant files and discussions. If the post has a lot of replies, scan the original message and any clarifying comments to make sure you capture the most current request. Next, read the content carefully and decide what needs actioning. Look for clear verbs and deliverables like draft, review, or publish. Sometimes there's just one task, other times there are several discrete steps. If you notice multiple items, mentally group them by outcome so they can become separate tasks under the same theme. Keep it simple and focused. Each task should represent one clear piece of work. Now, go to the To-Dos tool in that same Basecamp project. Staying in the same project keeps the conversation, files, and tasks connected, which makes it easier for everyone to find context later. You'll see existing lists and tasks here. This is where your actionable work belongs. Click the plus New To-Do button to create a single task, or choose Add a To-Do list if you identified multiple tasks that belong together. If you're creating a list, give it a short, descriptive title that references the message topic so it's easy to recognize. If you're creating just one task, jump straight to the name and description fields. Finally, copy and paste the relevant text from the message into the task name or description so the context stays clear. Use the exact phrasing of the request when possible. In the task name, capture the essence, like draft announcement for Q3 launch. In the description, paste the important lines from the message that explain the what and the why. If the post contains key details, requirements, constraints, or examples, include only what someone completing the task needs to see. This keeps the task self-contained, while still pointing back to the original discussion. That's it. You opened the message board post, decided what needs actioning, went to to-dos in the same project, created a new task or list, and carried over the essential context. This simple flow turns conversations into clear, trackable work, helping your team stay aligned and moving forward.